Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where the YouTube app is not working on your Toshiba TV. So whether YouTube is just not opening or it's crashing or you get some sort of error code, this video is going to show you exactly how to fix these issues. Now let's jump straight into it, and the first thing you need to do is grab your Toshiba television remote, and from here we're just going to press the home button right in the middle. As you can see on my remote control, it's this blue icon over here, and this will take us to the Toshiba home screen. Now from the applications in the bottom down here, we're just going to use the arrow keys on our remote control to come all the way over to the YouTube application. So if you can start up the YouTube application, then just go ahead and launch that now. Otherwise, you can move on to the next step. If you can get onto the YouTube app, what we're going to do is head over to this left-hand panel by using the left arrow key on your remote, and we're going to scroll all the way down and come down to settings. From settings, we need to press the right arrow key to come over to this menu on the right, and once again you just need to scroll all the way down to the bottom here, and right down here underneath history and data you'll have this option for reset app. So I'm just going to go ahead and press OK on my remote here, and then come over to the right and just select reset app, and this is going to clear all of your settings and cache data and stuff like that, which often resolves 99% of your issues. So we can just confirm here by pressing reset app, and then you can wait for YouTube to reload and check to see if that's now fixed the issue. If you're still experiencing problems, the next thing we need to do is just press the escape key on your remote control to come back to the previous menu, and once again we're going to press the home button to bring up the Toshiba home screen. Then in this bottom left hand side we need to use the up arrow to come down to settings, and then you're going to use the right arrow key to come across to system. Now from this settings menu we need to come all the way down to more at the bottom, and once again come down to software upgrade and press OK here, and then you're just going to come down and select scan for upgrade. Now you need to ensure that you have a internet connection in order to do this, and this is just going to scan for any pending updates on your television firmware. So if there is an update found here, just make sure to go ahead and install that now. Otherwise, what we're going to do is we're going to press the home button on your TV remote again, use the arrow keys to come back over to settings, and then we're going to use the right arrow key to come down to network. Now from here, you just need to ensure that you have a stable internet connection. So you can see at the bottom here that my internet is connected. There's the connected message at the bottom, and we can also come down to this internet speed test and select this, and this is just going to check your internet connection to ensure we have a stable and fast connection. So I'm running currently 90 megabytes per second, which is more than enough to use the YouTube application. If you have anything more than 10 megabytes per second, then you should be absolutely fine to use YouTube. So I'm just going to press OK to head out of here. So the last thing we're going to do is just come back all the way to the top here, and you're going to use the left arrow key to come over to picture. Then you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says reset, and I'm just going to go ahead and press OK here, and this is just going to go ahead and reset all of our picture settings. And now once again we can head back over to the YouTube application, and that should have now fixed any issues you were having with the app. If you still are experiencing a problem, then please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.